time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and of course, guys, if there is any questions that you are willing to ask, you can drop your question within the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. These are the assets that I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So quickly, guys, let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, I will be using 15-minute time frame to do my analysis. If there is need for me to go to higher time frame, I will let you know, and I will let you know the exact time frame I will be going to. Okay, and of course, guys, I am also using the a custom made indicator on my chart, which is called the 3M trend Muka trade indicator. If you are, you can also join me with it. Okay, so let's go straight into it right away. So guys, this is Ganex 1200. This actually sold till it got to this support zone. Right from there, it went on a buy trend and it got to this region. But it didn't go more than this. Right now, it's going down. Okay, so let's see what is happening on IR. So this is the reason why it is going down. Okay, you can see we have more space right here that we need to milk. Okay, so this is still going to give us more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, so it's going down at the moment, and of course we expect it, if it breaks out from here, then it will be targeting this region. Okay, so these are some highlighted tips for it, so you can take advantage of it. And if it breaks out below this support zone, then it's going to sell more, because that is what we are actually expecting, or that is what we are actually expecting it to do. Okay, so this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So let's check out gain X999. Let's see what is happening. So guys, this is gain X999. Okay, this has been on downtrend for a while. I think for like 2 days now. It started right from this resistance zone after switching from an uptrend into a downtrend, and of course, so till it got to this support zone, tried to go on uptrend for a while, and it got to this region, and of course, right now it is pulling back. Okay, now I'm going to call this a pullback. Okay, but however, if it breaks out below this, then it's going to sell more, guys. It's going to sell more if it breaks out below this. So you should take note of that. Okay, so it's going to sell more and maybe targeting this region. Okay, if it breaks out below this red line. Okay, so this is very, very important. But if it does not, it will go back on uptrend and continue with the trend. But for now, it is still selling because of this pullback. Okay, so this is selling at the moment because of the pullback. If it is done with the pullback and it's unable to break out below that, then definitely it will go back on uptrend. So it will buy more at that point. Okay, now let's check out Paynex 1000. I mean Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200, and of course this actually got to the support zone and it switched into an uptrend. Okay, right from here, and of course we picked up this signal earlier and it gave us a lot of profit, you can see. So it remains the last TP. Okay, it had a major pullback, but it's going there right now. So this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, so this is very, very important. So the next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. So this is Paynex 999. This started an uptrend right from this support zone, achieved TP 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and of course it's still trying to see if it will achieve the last TP. Okay, even though it's trying to go back on pull, but to go on pullback right now. This might not be for long, so I still expect this to buy more. Okay, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Now let's check out FX volume 80. Okay, so this is FX volume 80. Wow, this is beautiful. We've been waiting for this for so long, guys. We've been waiting for this for so long, and of course, it was able to activate the entry point earlier today, okay, and it has achieved TP1, TP2, and of course, heading towards TP3 right now. Okay, so this is so beautiful. Congratulations to those of you who are able to pick up this signal. We still have more TPs to achieve. We have TP3, 4, 5, 6 to achieve. Okay, so this is so amazing. Okay, so keep on holding it. Okay, so let's see how far it will go. For those that are having multiple TPs, some of your TPs should have closed right now. But for those that were able to trade just a single TP, I will advise you to create a single order rather. For those that were having multiple orders, some of the orders will have closed right now because we've achieved two TPs already. Okay, but for those that are having single order, okay, I will advise you to make use of your stop loss to lock up some part of the profit even as you target the last TP. Okay, so this is very, very important. So if you don't know how to do that, you can check some of my videos on how to do that within the channel. Okay, so that's so amazing. I'm really happy about this. So guys, I will be stopping right here. So this is giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So guys, I will advise you to apply this analysis just the way I have explained, and of course make sure you confirm from the chart before you do so. Okay, in case you are not joining me live and direct, you will need to confirm from the charts before you go ahead and do so. Okay, and of course guys, if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.